Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a mini AC from filter module. So this type of AC basically is known as digital AC. This don't require any compressor or any refrigerant gas. So this type of AC basically works on transistors and it will create a cooling effect in one side of the module and another side of the module will be heated up. So by using a filter module I will try to make a mini AC, a prototype type, to see how it works and is it worthy or not. So let's start the project without wasting any time. So let's start. So friend, to make a AC with filter module you must require this following item: fan, heat sinker, filter module, water circulation heat sink, power module, pipe, etc. So first install the water circulation module like this way as shown in the video. So after that you have to install the filter module, and one side of the filter module, that is the hot end of the filter module, will be in the downside and the cooling side of the filter module will be in the top side. So by this way you have to connect. Now you have to connect all the cables. So you can see the red wire must be in the right hand side and the black wire must be on the left hand side. So I have connected the pipe for water circulation through the radiator unit. So now I will connect it with power supply and I will check it is working or not. So friend, you can see it is working. So the pump is connected for water circulation through the aluminum block, and the hot water will come out from another side. So the water circulation system is required to cool down the hot end of the filter module, and the cold end of the filter module will be connected with the heat sink and the fan. So by this way you could able to make a AC. So this type of AC will work without any refrigerant gas or compressor. So you can say this type of AC is basically a digital type of AC. So friend, you can see the water is deposited on the top part of the heat sink. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.